One of the other projects is replacing the stuffing box. The stuffing box is right here, and it's old, and that's a liability. And in order to remove the prop shaft, I had to cut the prop shaft off of the coupler. It's just too rusted to get off. But lucky for me, I've got room to just have the end of my prop shaft milled for that keyway right there, and I get a new one of these. So I should have it back by Thursday. I'm going to take you outside now and show you how I remove the prop shaft. So there it is, just coming out of the hull, and it's really rough on this cutlass bearing, which is being replaced anyways. So I'm gonna sneak around here, lubricate the prop shaft with some what is this, liquid wrench. So let's see if we can get this out. So we'll get that all cut out of there. There's not much left to it. This is the cutlass bearing, and I've started to cut it with a sawzall and peel it back. So the goal is to cut it, it'll rip it, and get it out of there. Clean it up for a new one to go in. So it's completely cut in half, and I'm just peeling up both ends and just slowly working it away from the strut, and it should break free and just tap right out. So as you can see, it's starting to come out, and I'm just tapping on the back side with the screwdriver and hammer.
All right, thank you.
That's it. I decided to clean up the stuffing box instead of buying another one, and it would have been a long time before I could have gotten another one. It cleaned up pretty well, all the threads cleaned out, the lock nut turns fine, there's really nothing wrong with it. This is the reconditioned prop shaft. It was, I don't know how many thousandths not straight, but they turned it, trued it up, bead blasted it, got me new keys, new cotter pin there, new key down there. This is the end that I cut off right here. You can see some of my cut marks right there, but they trued that up, machined a new keyway in, and I got a new coupler right here that'll go on. They also balanced and cleaned up my propeller, so that was real nice. So we should be all set to go once I get this put in. New prop shaft coupler. That's the what's it called? A prop saver. This thing in the middle there, right there. New stuffing box, hose clamps, hose, new packing. Still have to wire those set bolts on the coupler, and I'll actually disconnect that here when I start the motor in the morning, so I can see if it shifts into gear.